Day number 5 of V-Duck vlog every day until Christmas. Make sure you guys smash the like button and let me know what you guys think of the new $25 truck mod. Best $25 I've ever spent. We have restructured the pricing of the giveaway and the prices are great is all I'm gonna say. So make sure you guys hit the link in the description. Check that out. Ends in January and I will see you guys tomorrow. Let's get this bread. We're back at Target again for another $20 truck mod challenge. The views on these videos do terrible, but I have more fun filming this kind of stuff than I do just about any other kind of video. And I got Thomas today with me with the Hummer, and we're doing a $20 truck mod challenge. Look at this. Wait a second. Look at this parking job right now. I'm in the lines. Well, no, I'm not.
I'm in the line.
He's in the lines, but look how freaking close he parked. That's the width of my hand, and the mirror.
I had to fold the mirror in to get past.
Jeez. The rules are simple. We got $20 to spend in Target to modify our lifted truck. Do you accept the challenge?
I'm about to use $20 in toilet paper.
All right.
Where do we go?
We did a Five Below. We came over here to the Hot Wheels because who doesn't like Hot Wheels cars? And they got the new Hummer, which is cool. But the cool thing about Target to me, as opposed to like Walmart actually has an automotive section. I don't think Target really does.
I don't think so.
So we have to get a little bit more creative here. So we don't really have to part ways, but
we can go walk.
We can just kind of mosey around a little bit and see what we can come up with for a truck mod. You can't really do anything with Hot Wheels, anything motorized. I mean, unless you come up with some kind of, I don't know. I wouldn't even know what to start with as far as like a Hot Wheels. I'll mosey around a little bit, see what we can figure out. Hot Wheels are still cool though. Monster Jam truck, toy section. I feel like immediately you would go to like lights, right? Everybody does lights. The last one I did was lights, so I'm trying to stay away from that. I feel like that's the easy way out.
It really is.
I think it's cheating again, but don't they have like the light up chargers?
Oh, the little plugs?
Yeah, the light up cords. Like the charging cord itself lights up.
Oh, I haven't seen those in years.
I'm pretty sure.
I know they have the little...
If you could find one of those.
The plug that lights up too.
I think that would be cool. I don't know if Target sells those, so I think you get those at like Five Below or something. This might be kind of difficult. Light bulb. You need a light bulb.
Makeshift dash cam.
Dash cam for $25. I like the way you grab on that thing.
They got them locked down. I got the same one, but bigger.
Do you?
Yeah.
Speakers. You build a sound wall or something. Nothing in here.
We could put a full size flat screen in the
for $20. Nothing in Target is $20 or less though. That's the problem. Like absolutely.
Target's an Walmart.
Target is expensive, bro. Let's move back to the.
Bro, we could do a ping pong table on the.
Ooh.
That on the bed of the truck.
Actually, that's.
But does it come with like a little? You need like a little platform.
That's actually not a bad idea. You could make it on the bed. I don't know if it bounced very well.
You could do it on the tailgate.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, on the tailgate.
You just need something to lay over the tailgate since it's like.
A little golf hole action.
Like the rivets in it.
Make the back of the truck a golf hole. That'd be kind of cool.
Putting green.
That's $60 though. If it was $20, instantly that's your idea.
The ping pong is $20.
The ping pong actually isn't a bad idea.
We just need something to put on the tailgate, like a flat surface.
Ooh. I wonder, does this come with, includes 2 all-weather paddles, 3 balls, retractable net system with paddle and ball storage.
So it comes with everything you need.
Comes with everything that you need. Not a bad idea, actually. Not a bad idea. Let's
we need a wobble ball.
I don't even know what that is. What I got over here?
Scooters.
Scooters, light up scooters.
I got your
some shin killers. Why are the hoverboards so expensive? Hoverboards are freaking
Hover One
expensive. I've never had one. We got something like that at the shop though. Skateboard? Do something with a skateboard? No, probably not.
Dude, I don't have enough balance for a skateboard.
I've never been a big skateboard person. Not really. Ooh, sporting goods. Truck mod.
What?
Golf balls. I don't really think there's anything over here that we could do anything with. Not really.
You know what I need?
It's over here. Glue gun, tools. I didn't know Target sold tools. Oh, the beds are way too expensive though. Like the blow-up mattresses.
Oh, do they have the? Did you see the one that Aaron got?
No.
So Aaron got one where it's two like pillows technically, but it goes like where your feet go in the truck between the seat and the bottom of the seat. So you got like this, right? And you got the gap, and it goes in there.
Yeah.
And then it has that blow up for the top.
To make the back seat.
Yeah. So the whole back seat becomes a bed. It's just like 3 separate.
Sleeping bag. Some lights down here. No. Paracord. Interesting.
I can do my rear door handles.
What's this? Frog Togs rain suit. Right. Ooh.
There's certain things that you keep.
Fishing challenge. Kid casters.
There's certain things you keep in your truck. Can I have the truck mode?
I mean, no, because it's
Kinda.
not. Why? Like
I don't know.
cup holders and like an air kit. Can you inflate your truck tires with a pump like that? I mean, I don't see why not, right?
Take a little while.
It might. Yeah, it might.
I
take a
used to
little
have the onboard air system in mine. The compressor went out.
So, drop a comment if you guys want to see us do like a kiddie pole fishing challenge.
They don't have to drop a comment. We're definitely going to do that.
All right, we'll do that. Before the 30 days is up, we'll do a kiddie pole fishing challenge. I think we need to throw a fishing video in there for sure.
Dude, yeah, absolutely.
So we're gonna do the kiddie pole fishing
Do a little
challenge.
catch and cook.
But I'm not gonna lie, I think we need to go with the ping pong. Ping pong's the move,
Yeah.
and we'll figure out the rest. If this was $20, like the little basketball goals, I'd do one of those.
You could do a
Do they sell the little basketball?
They
the little
probably
kid
sell the
basketball
ones
goals? Look.
with the suction cup.
Look. How much is it though?
No, you don't.
Oh, come on,
No,
bro.
you don't even need to like get one with the suction cup. And it can stick to your window and like a little rubber ball where it's not gonna mess the truck up.
Come on, bro. $30.
You're not hearing me. A little suction cup one sticks to the window. Right? And then you get like a rubber ball where it's not gonna mess the truck up.
Do they sell those?
They definitely do. I don't know where it would be.
See if they have one here. Because if not, would y'all rather, for $30, rather see something like this or the ping pong on the back? We went a little bit over budget, but I think it'll be worth it. I think this.
We'll combine 20 and 20. We're technically under.
Yeah, I mean, I guess if we did both of us, yeah, that's our loophole here. We both get $20 and we spent less than 40, so it's the way to get around it. But I think it's better content. The ping pong table would have worked, but the way that my
we would have had to find something.
my bed liner doesn't really allow us to.
It's got all the grooves in it.
Yeah.
I mean, it would have worked. It would have just been a difficult game.
But I feel like this one is actually something you could keep in your truck and would actually be fun to use more than once. Like if you're ever just hanging out somewhere, you'll have a little thing to play around with. The only thing about the one that I got is it might mess up your window, so we're gonna have to just kind of see how it goes. To be honest with you, I got a set of beats, which doesn't matter.
We just need to put something. You said the back of it's padded. We may need to put something on the hooks.
They have the backboard in here. Oh no, yeah, look, it's padded. Yeah.
Yeah, the back of it's padded. I'm talking about the hook.
A little.
It may not. Actually, no, it has padded on it. On the hook, on the hanger.
Yeah. Little basketball goal.
Oh, you gotta install it.
Comes with 2 balls too, which is cool.
There that is. I assume this goes like that.
Yeah. How do you inflate these though? They give you a little.
This goes on the back side, wouldn't it?
Did they give you a little inflator thing?
Did they not?
Trash. How are we supposed to? Are we gonna have to walk back in there and use one to?
And get a little pump?
No, are we gonna have to walk back in there and just use one of them? You know what I mean?
I'm not opposed to it.
Use one that's in there. You go. They send you the 2 little basketballs, but there's no way to pump them up.
Five Below blew the whole balloon that I got.
Yeah.
The whole flamingo.
Freaking trash.
The bolts don't go through this way, do they?
Is it magnetic?
No. I guess the bolts go through the
little net,
the backside.
Net action. I said, ooh.
Might hang on. So I guess I can run these in there.
How do you
first.
run the? Does it just?
It goes like that. Yeah, like that. There's no instructions on this. Kind of rough. You got your Nike socks on today?
I have one Nike sock on today. Just one.
Ready to cross somebody up?
Yeah, I'm ready to. You ready to get crossed up today, Thomas?
I'm not wearing any socks.
I'm about to get this work then, son. Get this work. I feel like Jimmy V. I'm about to cut the net off after we win the national championship. I'm supposed to be leaving to get Christina something to eat, but instead we're messing around at Target. She'll be pissed. Somebody in the comments will be like, you better leave and go get her something to eat. Look at that net right there, buddy. Nothing but net, baby. Look at that fitment right there. Spalding, baby. How do they give you freaking balls with no air in them, bro? I mean, I know that there's not going to be air in them for 30 bucks, 35 bucks. And the box is only that wide, so I mean, that wide.
They could have put a little pump.
They could have put a little tiny little pump thing in there. We're going to have to walk all the way back into Target just to pump these up.
We're gonna look like a couple of cheese balls out there just pumping balls up.
Look, you throw it like a football. Here, while you're messing with that, I'm gonna run in there and see if I can pump it up. It might break if it falls down though. The best truck mod I think that we've ever done. Look, no, put it on the.
Oh, on this taillight?
Yeah, put it on the taillight. Let's go! Let's go! Hey, freaking. Oh, we gotta make one. Hold on, we gotta make one.
First shot.
We gotta make one. Cash, baby! Freaking cash, baby! I'm terrible at this. Best truck mod that we've ever freaking done.
We're gonna go to meets now, just play freaking basketball.
Cash money, baby! Let's go! Hold on, where can we set the? I don't know. See, I can't put it on my truck like that. Cash.
Oh, I lost it. Any more of it?
It doesn't really like that. Oh!
Denied. I don't have the Nike socks. Oh yeah.
You gotta have a light. You gotta have a light touch. Oh, that's way off. Like that. No range, no change.
Airball.
100% the best truck mod that we've ever come up with on the channel. If you guys like the videos, make sure to like and subscribe for more buckets. Let's get this bread.
That's what I'm talking about.